commitment. Certain species are very noisy and can even outlive us. So bear that in mind before you go back home and buy yourself a pet parrot, right? A lot of commitment. Alright, our next two friends are a species of hornbill that's going to show us how loving they can be. Vicky, our great white hornbill, is coming up now. Wow. And just take it as well. In the wild, when hornbills want to nest, they will look for cavities in trees. Everyone take a look at the hut right there, and you can see a nest box. Well, the nest box is similar to the nest boxes that we give our hornbills here in Jurong Bird Park. Now remain in your seats because any fast movements might scare the bird. Right? Those of you on my left and right can hear the vocalization of the great pine hornbill. Alright, Vicky, could you please spread your wings and fly? Ladies and gentlemen, in a very short moment, Vicky will be inspecting the nest box. And only if she likes it, she will hop right in. Ooh, in she goes! What happens next is that these hornbills will seal the nests in soil, regurgitate the food, and even their own droppings. Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. That was quick. Vicky, where are you? Swing out and sing with me. Okay, not to worry, ladies and gentlemen, because here comes another great white hornbill from way right up there. Alright, now when the female is in the nest, she'll be inside for 3 to 4 months. Now during this time, male hornbills will have to find food to feed the entire family. Well, here in Jurong Bird Park, we've been quite successful in breeding the oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like this. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have also released hornbills into nature reserves here in Singapore as well as out here in Jurong Bird Park. After the show, open your eyes because you will spot free-flying hornbills anywhere out here. Now I'm going to try to get Alfred on my hand, okay? Alfred, this way! Before he comes down, let me share a fun fact with you. Hornbills are the only species of bird that's got beautiful, long eyelashes. Don't believe me? Check them out at the hornbill and you can activate right over there. Okay, Alfred, are you done? Fly to my hand. That's a good boy. Okay. Ooh, he misses it. It's okay. He's a smart bird. He knows how to go home. Okay, Alfred, time to go home. Home is that away. Anytime now. There he goes. Our hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Nice music. Alright, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. If you wish to volunteer, raise up your hands and my friends will pick you. So ladies and gentlemen, don't get my attention. You have to get all the attention of my friends out here and I'm going to introduce them to you. Over here we have Wani. In the middle we have Siti. On my right we have Nisa, who will be assisting our volunteers. Now they are looking for a total of 9 volunteers. You heard me right, I said 9. Yeah, that's a lot of volunteers. Now look at the birds waiting to fly past you. They use their wings to swoop through branches and leaves in the rainforests of South America. They are losing their homes at a very fast rate and they need your help. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and that's the simplest thing that we humans can do after we have destroyed the homes they live in, which is the rainforest, of course. Alright, everyone's ready? We've got extra children standing up. One is trying to get them to be seated down. In the meantime, volunteers, keep your hook nice and steady. Bettina, let's go. I'll go Vega. Alright, let's Vega and Bettina. Okay, now with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers, and sharp eyesight. This allows the macaws to be very maneuverable and agile when they're flying. Next, they will fly from 2 different ends of the stage. And they will try to meet at the center hoop almost at the same time. Volunteers, smile. Good. Everyone's ready? Bettina, are you ready? Ah, people standing. Hi, sir, the one in red. Yes. Because the birds are flying right above you. Good. Thank you. Ready, go! Wow! Oh, look at that! Thank you, Mitra and Bettina! Okay. Finally, we're gonna try something even more challenging, okay? Alright, I want you to take a look at my friend Siti. Siti, what are you doing with a bag? Hey, no shopping. Hello, we're in the middle of the show. Where is the other hoop? No, it's in the bag. Okay, why don't you show everyone what's in the bag? Oh, that's a really small hoop. Are you sure they can fly through that hoop? No problem. I believe you. Okay, macaws have streamlined bodies that enables them to fly through the dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers and predators. Okay, everyone, let's remain silent. Nega needs to focus. Ready, Nega? If you're ready, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Yes! Well, thank you, Nega. Cut him a call. Time for him to head back home towards my friend Libra. Can I have a volunteer who's really not afraid of birds? So, how about I get the lady with the Mickey Mouse shirt? Yes! She's like, unbelievable. Okay, could you please stand up on your bench? Okay, you need to go up higher. Good. Alright, you follow what I do. Do this. Okay? Alright? Now remember, stay still. Okay? Alright, allow me to introduce you to our friend Sassy. Hey Sassy, come right over here. Hey, nice to see you. Sassy here is a greater sulfur crested cockatoo. Now cockatoos are species of parrots that has got a crest on top of their head. It varies in color, some yellow and some even beautifully pink, alright? Sassy's posing for the camera right now. Can you see that? Good job, Sassy. Fire back to me. With that coupon, you can exchange for a cold drink at the Paris kiosk, which is a short one from here. Can I have one more volunteer from either left or right? But I got no more drink coupons. I need someone who can show me money. When you talk about money, you see lesser hands. I know you guys use cash cards and credit cards. Okay, we've got a lady. How about we get a gentleman, the one in navy blue. Wani, the gentleman in navy blue, yes. Alright, hi. You stand up on your bench. Okay, now I need you to fold the note into half. And fold it into another half. Wani, help him out? Yes. Thank you. A little simple origami. And stretch out your hand. Make sure he has the note pointing upwards, okay? Good, Sassy, let's go! Sassy better be quick before he changes his mind. Okay, Sassy, this way. Alright, watch where the money goes. In my pocket. Young man, you want your money back? You do? Okay, good. Tell you what, we're just kidding, okay? And could you please have a seat? We will return you the money in a very short while, alright? Now, ladies and gentlemen, after the show, if you would like to help the animals in Singapore, come on down and contribute any amount into our conservation fund. And for any amount, even your loose change, we're going to give you a postcard of Sassy, so you can remember us always, okay? Now, sir, could you please stand up once again, because Sassy's about to return you your $10 note, right? Sassy is a nice guy. We're not going to take the money, okay? We have to return the money back to him, okay? Alright, pose for the camera, like that, good. Sassy, there she goes. Alright, passing the money. You're checking out the guy in front, Sassy, he's married. Okay, come fly right over here. Thank you very much, young man. And now it's time for Sassy to go back home, and home is all the way to my friend Lynn. Well, thank you, Sassy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in a very short moment, we're going to have our grand finale. Don't go away just yet. Now, we are sure our birds have amazed you and even made you laugh. Now, please don't forget all these bird conservation champions that you have met today. Now you can help these animals by using less of everything. Even better, if we can reuse our things and buy second-hand or recycled products. Well, this helps reduce all these wastages and save these animals home. And it looks like we're all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the grand finale, we're gonna have lots and lots of birds on stage. So let's get started. The first band from Africa, the Great White Pelican. Our second pair is from India, the Spot-billed Pelican. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have 5 Dalmatian Pelican, and here they come. Also from Africa, the ladies with the beautiful long legs. They call them the supermodels of the world. I think you're gonna love them. Here comes the Greta Flamingo. Alright, stop to color the skies from across South America, coming from up there and there. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, a grand finale of birds. Let's give them a nice round of applause. With that, we come to the end of High Flyers. You are more than welcome to come down here and take pictures with these beautiful birds as our trainers usher them back home. In a short while, we are inviting you to be on stage to take pictures with another group of flamingos for free using your cameras, so do stay on set. Now, if you want to bring back fond memories of our show, it is in the form of plush toys.